What if I told you that one missed phone call could cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars? As business owners, we spend so much time and money trying to make our phones ring. The problem isn't getting leads. The problem is making sure that we never miss them. In today's video, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my cleaning business to show you exactly how I use Quo every single day, from handling customer calls and after-hour inquiries to using AI to capture leads while I'm out in the field. But before we get into it, today's video is sponsored by Quo. If you'd like to give it a try, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description of this video where you can start a free trial and receive a special discount. So be sure to check them out. Now, let's jump into today's video. Hey everyone, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I've been running my full service cleaning business for the last 8 years. And for the last 4 years, I've been helping other service-based business owners start, grow, and scale their businesses. One of the questions that I get asked all the time is, Carolyn, what phone system do you use? Or how do you make your business sound more professional? Now, I've already created an entire Quo playlist where I show you how to connect your business number, build call flows, create business hours, and configure everything from a technical standpoint. But today is completely different. Today, I don't want to teach you how to set it up. I want to show you how I actually use it. Because here's something I've learned after running my business for the last 8 years. Software by itself doesn't grow your business. Systems do. Quo isn't just my phone system. It's part of my sales process. It's part of my customer service, and honestly, it's one of the most important systems in my company because every single lead comes through it. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens from the moment a customer calls my business until they're booked on the schedule. One thing I always tell my students is this: every missed call is a missed sale. Now, I know that sounds dramatic, but think about this for a second. How much money do we spend every single month trying to make the phone ring? Google ads, local service ads, Facebook ads, SEO, door hangers, networking events, referral programs, content creation, YouTube, social media. Some business owners are spending hundreds or thousands of dollars every month. And then the phone finally rings and we're cleaning a bathroom. We're driving, we're meeting another customer, we're on another estimate, or maybe we simply don't hear it. What happens? That customer usually doesn't leave a voicemail and patiently wait for you to call back. They call the next cleaning company, then the next one. I've actually spent a lot of time calling cleaning companies throughout different cities while researching competitors. And honestly, I'm shocked by how many businesses don't answer. Some have full voicemail boxes, some answer with a simple hello, some never return the call at all. That's actually good news for businesses like ours because it gives us an opportunity to stand out simply by creating a better customer experience. The customer starts forming an opinion about your company before they ever speak to you. That's why your phone system matters. Now let me show you what one of my customers experiences when they call my business.
Hello, and thank you for calling Fresh Start Clean, your premium cleaning solution proudly serving St. Louis, Missouri, and the surrounding areas. If you are interested in scheduling a residential cleaning service, please press 1. If you would like to schedule a commercial cleaning walkthrough, please press 2. If you would like to speak with customer support, please press 3. If you would like to leave a voicemail and receive a call back from our office, please press 4. You can also book any of our services instantly online by visiting freshstartcleanmo.com. We look forward to serving you.
Did you notice the difference? Even when I first started using a professional phone system, I was still doing everything myself. I was the owner, the cleaner, the estimator, the office manager, everything. But my customers did not know that. To them, it sounded like they were calling a well-established company with an office staff. And perception matters. People naturally trust businesses that appear organized and professional. That first impression can help make all the difference before you ever answer the phone. Now let's talk about another feature that completely changed my work-life balance. One feature that completely changed the way I run my business is business hours. When I first started my cleaning business, I answered every single phone call. 6 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock at night, weekends, holidays. If my phone rang, I felt like I had to answer because I didn't want to lose a customer. I thought that's what being a good business owner meant. Eventually, I realized something. I wasn't building a business. I was building a job. My phone controlled my life. If I wanted to go out to dinner, I had my phone next to me. If I wanted to spend time with my family, my phone was always interrupting me. I was always on. One of the biggest mindset shifts I had was realizing that customers don't necessarily expect you to answer immediately. They expect you to respond professionally. Those are two completely different things. Now my business has set business hours. During those hours, either myself or one of my virtual assistants answers incoming calls. Outside of business hours, customers hear a completely different greeting. Depending on how you choose to set it up, they can leave a voicemail, request a callback, send you a message, or even speak with Sona, Quo's AI assistant. This is especially helpful when you're a solo business owner. Someone calls after hours, or you're still working a full-time job and simply cannot answer every single phone call. Sona can greet your customers, ask the important information like first name and last name, find out exactly what type of clean they're looking for, answer common questions, and even automatically send them a text message with a link to your booking form or quote request form. That means you're still capturing valuable leads even when you're unavailable. Instead of a potential customer hanging up and calling another company, they're immediately engaged, their information is collected, and they're given a simple next step. For me, that's a much better customer experience than letting the phone ring or hoping that somebody leaves you a voicemail. It allows me to provide excellent customer service without feeling like I have to answer my phone 24 hours a day. Let's take a look at how this actually works. First, I'm going to show you my business hour settings inside of Quo. So here you can see the schedule is set to every day between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Next, I want to show you how the business hours work within the call flow. Here you can see that during my normal business hours, calls are routed to either myself or one of my virtual assistants. You can completely customize your schedules, your greetings, and exactly how you want incoming calls to be handled. Now let's take a look at what happens after hours. Instead of my phone ringing while I'm having dinner, spending time with my family, or simply taking the day off, my customers hear a completely different greeting. Now let's experience it from the customer's perspective. You'll hear the after hours greeting. Instead of reaching a voicemail, the caller is connected with Sona, Quo's AI assistant. Watch what happens. Sona greets the customer, asks for their first and last name, learns the type of cleaning that they're looking for, gathers the information that I need, and then automatically sends them a text message with a link to my booking form or quote request form.
Hi there, this is Sona, Fresh Start Cleaning's virtual assistant. You have reached our business after hours. What type of cleaning are you looking for to book?
A commercial cleaning.
I can certainly help you with that. May I have your first and last name, please?
Carolyn Arellano.
Thank you, Carolyn. Could you please provide your email address?
Carol123@gmail.com.
Thank you, Carolyn. Just to confirm, that is carol123@gmail.com?
Correct.
Thank you, Carolyn. I can text a link to the phone number you're calling from so you can request that commercial cleaning walkthrough. May I have your permission to send that text?
Absolutely.
I've sent that text to your phone now. Is there anything else I can help you with before we finish up?
That's actually everything. Thank you so much. And here you guys can see that I did get that automated text message with the booking link. Great news, cleaning family. I have officially launched my Cleaning Business Mentor online community, which is a paid monthly membership to an online community of cleaning business owners from all around the globe. Also included are group coaching calls, some of my online courses, new digital downloads, members only videos, and so much more. If you guys are interested in joining my online community with tons of ongoing support, be sure to go ahead and sign up today. Link in the description of this video. Now imagine I'm in the middle of cleaning a house, recording YouTube videos, spending time with my family, or it's 8 o'clock at night. Instead of losing that lead, Quo has already started the conversation, collected the customer's information, and given them a clear next step. That's the difference between simply missing a call and having a system that's working for your business even when you're not. Now let's talk about my favorite feature inside of Quo, call recording and AI call summaries. If you've ever cleaned houses before, I know you're going to relate to this. Picture this. I'm inside somebody's bathroom. I'm scrubbing a shower. I've got gloves on. I've got chemicals in one hand. My vacuum is running. Then my phone rings. Now I have two choices. I can ignore it and risk losing a customer, or I can answer it. Obviously, I'm not sitting in front of my computer. I'm not typing notes into my CRM or booking system. I'm literally cleaning. So here's what I do. I answer the phone exactly like I normally would. Hi there, thank you so much for calling Spotless Cleaning Services. My name is Carolyn. How can I help you today? Then I begin asking all of my intake questions. Can I please have your first name? How do you spell your last name? What's the best email address for you? What's the full property address? How many bedrooms do you have? How many bathrooms do you have? What type of cleaning are you looking for? Is this your first cleaning with us? Do you have any pets? Are there any areas that you would like us to focus on? When are you looking to schedule? Now here's the funny part. After every question, I pause for just a second, almost like I'm typing everything into my computer. The customer has absolutely no idea. They simply think I'm entering their information while talking. When I finish cleaning, I open up Quo. Now I have two options. I can listen back to the entire conversation, or I can simply read the AI-generated summary. Everything I need is already there. The customer's name, their phone number, their needs, important notes, action items, even a summary of the conversation. Honestly, this has probably saved me hundreds of hours over the years. It also eliminates simple mistakes. Have you ever gotten back to your office and thought, did they say 3 bedrooms or 4? Or how did they spell their email? Or even worse, calling somebody back because you typed their email in incorrectly. We've all been there. Now I don't have to rely on my memory. Everything is documented for me. And that's huge when you're juggling multiple estimates every day. By the way, if you're interested, I'll include a free copy of my residential intake questionnaire down below. These are the exact questions my company asks every single potential residential customer before we prepare an estimate. So feel free to download it and use it in your business. Now let me show you exactly how I use this after I finish the cleaning. I'm going to open one of my most recent phone calls. The first thing that you'll notice is that every call is automatically recorded. This is incredibly helpful because if I ever need to go back and verify something the customer told me, I can simply replay the conversation. Now let's go ahead and play a clip for you guys.
Sabrina Macchia. That's SABRINA
Thank you. And what's the best phone number to reach you at if we need to contact you?
You can reach me at 555-123-4567.
Thank you. Now, what type of cleaning are you looking to schedule today? We offer one-time deep cleanings, recurring cleanings, move-in, move-out cleanings, and post-construction cleanings.
I'm looking for a one-time deep cleaning.
Great. Can you please provide me with the address of your home?
It's 123 Main Street, Clark, New Jersey, 07065.
Perfect. And what's the best email address for you?
Now let's take a look at something I use even more often, the AI call summary. Instead of listening to 5 or even 10 minutes of conversation all over again, Quo automatically summarizes the call for me. You'll notice it even captured the customer's name, the reason for calling, the type of cleaning they were looking for, important details about the job, and even the next steps. This is especially helpful when you have answered several calls throughout the day because you don't have to remember every single conversation. Everything is documented for you. Another thing that I really like is that if I ever need to prepare an estimate later, I can quickly scan these notes instead of listening to the entire recording again. It saves me a tremendous amount of time. It also helps prevent mistakes. Maybe I wasn't sure if the customer said 3 or 4 bedrooms. Maybe I forgot whether they wanted a deep cleaning or a recurring cleaning. Maybe I couldn't remember how they spelled their email address. Instead of calling the customer back and asking those questions again, I simply come back to Quo and review the recording for the AI summary. I also use these call recordings when training new virtual assistants or office staff. If someone handled a call really well, we can listen to it together and use it as an example. If there's an opportunity to improve, we can coach through it. So this feature isn't just about documentation. It's also a training tool that helps your entire team become better at handling customer calls. Hopefully today's video gave you a better understanding of how I actually use Quo inside my cleaning business. As you can see, it's much more than just a business phone system. It's part of my sales process. It's part of my customer service. It's part of how I stay organized. And most importantly, it's part of how I make sure that I don't miss opportunities. As business owners, we work incredibly hard to generate leads. We spend time creating content, asking for referrals, networking, investing in advertising, and building our reputation. The last thing we want is to lose a customer simply because we missed a phone call or didn't respond quickly enough. For me, Quo helps solve that problem. Whether I'm cleaning a home, meeting with a client, recording YouTube videos, or spending time with my family, I know my business can continue communicating with customers professionally. That's one less thing I have to worry about. If you're interested in learning the technical side of Quo, make sure you check out my Quo playlist linked in the description below. I walk you through everything from setting up your account to building call flows, business hours, integrations, and much more. If you're thinking about trying Quo for your business, I'll leave my link in the description below where you can try Quo free and get a special discount. If you found today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your community. It really helps support the channel and lets me know that you would like to see more videos like this. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button because every week I share practical tips, systems, and strategies to help you start, grow, and scale a successful service-based business. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. What feature of Quo do you think would make the biggest impact on your business? Or if you're already using Quo, what's your favorite feature? Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.